Hi, I will show you how to remove the Peroni Plus cover. I will turn the Peroni Plus seat. First, we'll start with the headrest. To make it easier, I'll slightly pull up the handle, allowing me more space. I'll remove each buttons from the headrest, like so. Slightly pull off the cover, one side at a time. On each side there are elastics. You can slightly take it off. And there it is for the headrest cover. Now we have the backrest. We'll need to unzip it. Once again, remove each side. The backrest cover. I will remove the backrest from its handle. Simply bend it. Detach from the bar. For the bottom part, there are two buttons on each side. I will remove it. Then you can hold on to the bar to help you. Don't forget, on each side there are straps. Simply pull it up. And the other side. Like so. And there it is. Hi, I will now show you how to install the Peroni Plus cover. We'll start with the bottom part. I will take the cover, insert one side at a time, and the other. Put back the straps into position, inside the gap. The cover needs to be underneath. The other side. The strap into position. The cover is underneath the plastic. I will finish by putting back the buttons. Then I will reinstall the backrest onto the bar. Pull it forward. For the middle backrest. Once again, the cover, I'll put it one side at a time. Then the other. I'll need to sit it back into position. Then for the headrest, one side at a time, and the other. It's properly in place. I will do the buttons. And don't forget both straps, which will be underneath. The second one. Now, don't forget to reinsert the cover inside the backrest, like so. And there it is, the Peroni Plus.